Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a simple part in Plasticity. I will start by creating a cylinder with a diameter of 40 mm and a height of 5 mm. I press the D key, hit 5, hit enter, and accept with the right mouse button. Next I will create another cylinder whose center will be located here. This cylinder will have a diameter of 15 mm. So I press Tab, 15, hit enter. Now I will add an extrusion of 30 mm, so I press D, 30, hit enter, and enter again, and we have created something like this. Now I will switch to a side view and create another cylinder. I will place the center of this cylinder at this point, and the diameter of this cylinder is 14 mm, so I press Tab, 14, enter. Here, by default, a cylinder will be created in such a way that material will be removed from this cylinder, but in this case we do it in one direction. Do it in such a way that this new cylinder, which we will remove from this solid, passes through the entire half of this solid. And right-click to accept it, and we have something like this. Now I switch to face selection. I select this face and drag this gizmo in such a way as to remove material from the other side, and right-click to accept it. Now I would like to move this cut a little, and we can do this easily. I select this face, I have face selection active here. I select this face, and activate the move command. I move it along the z-axis by the specific value, and right-click to confirm it, and this way we have created something like this. Now I switch to edge selection. I select all edges of the solid, and here we add a radius or chamfer, and right-click to accept it. In this way we have created this type of part. We will finish here. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.